Done. Ready for some light?
Go ahead, honey.
Ta-da!
Ooh. It's still not working. Ninja Handyman!
No job too big, no job too small. Ninja Handyman, always on call. I am light and you. Oh, you must have a screw loose. Blue, red, green. I fix you. Think like new.
Fixed it.
Take that and that.
Ninja Handyman?
Huh? Ha-ha. My work here is done.
Oh, no, it's not.
Ah, Bob. Not fair. Screwy night.
Oh, isn't this the life? Here, look. Sniff, sniff.
You must be joking.
Fetch.
You're not joking.
Fetch. Come on, Puppet, come on.
Right.
Ready,
Look into my eye, controlled by the ancient forces of hypnosis. Now, you want that stick more than anything. Oops! Ignore the pedal boats! So what if the swans want the stick for their nest? It's your stick! Now, heel!
You know, on second thoughts, why don't we call it a day? It's a bit hotter than I thought today, and I'm getting ever so slightly sweaty.
$60 million years ago last Tuesday, the dinosaurs died out. There were many reasons for this. Here's just one of them. Number 12,622.
Well, happy birthday, Horace.
Thank you, Auntie.
It's your special day. Friends, presents, and cake.
I love my birthday.
Just keep calm, Horace. You don't want to have a birthday accident.
Happy birthday, Horace. I cooked you a special birthday cake.
I don't like candles, Auntie. I tried them before. Yuck!
Horace, you're meant to blow them out, not eat them. Watch.
Hortense, are you showing him what to do? How sweet. Never mind. I'll blow them out for you, Horace.
Hang on, not fair. My cake. I know what to do.
Horace, don't you dare.
Look, Auntie, I blew them out all at once. So it's happy birthday to me.
Oh, Horace.
Computer, I'm exhausted. I think I'll get some sleep too.
No problem, Captain. You go right ahead. Yep. You just close your eyes, relax, and leave the rest to me. Meanwhile, I'll just sit here all alone, with no one to talk to, making sure that everything is quiet, while you just have a nice big sleep!
What's going on?
What the?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Did I wake you?
Watch this!
We need to stop that. We are Japanese fighting fish, not bubble-riding fools. Japanese fighting fish are noble.
Oh, I love these. What fun! Oh,
Dignified.
Bubble time!
We have a strict code of conduct.
Oh, lighten up!
Oh, well, if you can't beat them. Look, there's a whole weird world outside the tank.
Do this.
Here are the news headlines with me, Sally Van. And me, Mike Today. Planet Sketch Space Agency announces the first soda pop-powered space shuttle. And homework pirates attack once again in the south. Today, we are investigating the discovery that hyenas across the world have stopped laughing. Experts say they heard a girl trying to tell a joke. More breaking news! Hyenas have started laughing again as they listen to a boy trying to sing. No, they didn't laugh at boys. I'm afraid they did, Mike. No, Sally, they didn't. Yes, they did. Didn't. Good night. Didn't. Oh.
"40 minutes at 220 degrees. Ooh, delicious.
Dr. Dinosaur,
Who are you?
I'm in charge of admissions.
Oh, I've got an admission. Mr. Wilkins mysteriously disappeared at the hospital barbecue last...
No, it's not that sort of admission, Doctor. I'm in charge of everyone who's been admitted to the hospital.
Oh, I see. Oh, I thought you meant the other type of admission. You know, the one where you admit, for instance, I don't know, eating a patient. Which I never do, of course.
So, are there any others I should cross off my list?
Oh, yes, Mr. Omelette, the Spanish one. Yes, he left just after my breakfast. Mr. Pickle, Miss Cheese, Mr. Roll. They all left after my ploughman's lunch.
Any others?
No, I don't think so at the moment. I'll keep you updated, though.
Napkin Squirrel is playing with the children in the street. He thinks hopscotch is lots of fun. He thinks catch is lots of fun. But he thinks tug of war is absolutely no fun at all.